Hey Fraser, we are just heading out fishing this morning, bud. So let's go see what we can do. All right, bud. We missed the tide, so we were cutting it close. I miscalculated. I thought I had another hour actually, the way I calculated it. But still, we were there. We were there 2 hours early, but it's a low tide of like a half a meter again. Wasn't going to be enough, and there was 104 boats there. There's only enough space on the docks for one boat on each side.
Sorry.
For one boat on each side at a time. There was 3 boats in lineup ahead of us. Wasn't going to happen. So we drove on back. We're gonna, wait, and we'll head out probably after 2 or 3 o'clock kind of thing today. Maybe. Beauty.
Ooh, I just had a heart attack.
Nice job, bud. I didn't even see that thing hanging. It's sitting up there. Well, the thing that you just touched and moved. Was it sitting up higher on the shaft?
No, I lifted it and then laid it back down.
Oh, okay. All right.
All right, shut it down because I got to clean off this stupid
Window?
windowsill.
There we go.
Before we leave.
Listen, Rick is videotaping it. Don't use words like stupid and windowsill. Try to sound more positive and upbeat. I use those words always.
Can you edit that out, Rick?
I can edit out stupid.
Okay.
I can edit out
Leave it
dumb.
could you try being more positive and upbuilding?
Of
Yeah,
course,
leave that.
absolutely.
Those are
Of course.
He always used it.
So Shawn's got 2 fans that he's putting up today. Shawn and Alison are putting up 2 fans. Not just Shawn, Shawn and Alison. They're both doing a great job. I'm merely recording this for insurance purposes because, Shawn is working live. Not that he's not live, but,
We're live, Johnny, where we turn off the stand?
No, there's 2 different ones, man.
No,
the
they're on one switch.
So Shawn says as long as he turns off the switch,
They're not 2 different ones.
it's good.
The
But
light and
like he
the fan
should
are
know,
gonna be on-
and I know that he knows, that there's still power to that switch, even if the switch is turned off.
All right. Everybody, it's smarter than
Okay.
No, not smarter, just been
I'm
zapped
glad-
many,
I'm
many
glad-
times.
I'm glad you just talked about it because it was live. Like darn attached. That's one.
It's still live.
But I mean,
No,
it was live. The switch was on.
it doesn't.
live.
It doesn't matter. There's another power line that comes into there to give it the power. That breaks the switch, but there's still live power up there right now. He touches 2 wrong wires, or the wrong wire to the box.
I can walk in and turn it off. Try. Would you feel better if I turn it off? No, Rick would feel better.
If you turn the breaker off,
Yes, it's there to
yeah,
walk.
I would feel better.
Is it? Is it there? No, it's underneath, isn't it?
it's in the basement.
It's in the basement. Ew.
Nobody else has to wash their hands?
We all survived. We all survived. And they look great.
It's okay.
And you can feel it.
Yeah,
Like you
maybe
can feel the
we should
difference.
turn it to air movement.
Absolutely. Excellent. Hey, buddy. So we're out on the boat. We're fishing. We got on a little bit later than we wanted to, obviously, but we're subject to the tides right now. So.
And we were able to help Shawn and Alison.
And we were able to go over and help Shawn and Alison with their ceiling fan requirement needs.
Sketchy situations.
Yeah, scaffolding and such. So, yeah, let's see what we can catch. I got a skinny G on one side with the camera, the underwater camera, and I got flasher with a white hooch on the other side. Flasher's down around 190 feet. The skinny G's around 145. We'll see if we hit anything. We're hitting that same area on Harwood there. So let's see what goes on. It's been minutes. Why haven't we caught a fish yet?
Right?
Right?
Clearly we're doing something wrong.
Clearly, there's no fish here. You can change that thing there too if you want.
I know, I was just trying to watch that mark. I already did. See? Ta-da!
Nuts.
Did it all by myself. I couldn't remember.
She's getting to be a big girl now.
I sat reading it. I missed my mark.
You missed your mark?
Yeah.
There's no way we missed your mark in 10 seconds.
Oh yeah.
No.
I was heading towards it, and then I headed that way because it.
Wow.
Sometimes the little boat icon takes a minute to catch up,
Oh, I see.
and I was like, oh, we're heading the wrong way now. We're still close, but we're really. That mark was one of the closest times we went in,
Okay.
but we're kind of where we were the other day in like the 270 and stuff. Fish marking way down low. 250. Could be kelp.
What's that?
I said could be kelp.
Could be.
Okay, if they're 250.
Kelp! I need somebody. Kelp! Not just anybody. Kelp!
Disapprove. Disapprove of that. You got that boat right way over there, hey? Oh, good.
Because it was quick and easy to change over to a plug if I wanted to. She denied first sip. I had the first 3 sips. It was so good! Let me give the next pillar a shot.
I have a cucumber.
Oh, right on. Allie gets to kiss a cucumber.
Woo, baby!
Oh,
I am not.
You're not on camera yet.
No. I'm not kissing that.
There you go.
Check that slimy, gross thing out. But I'm taking it off. I'm not kissing it. It's incredibly disgusting.
Cucumber.
But oh. Fish. Sorry. Didn't mean to hit you. I smacked Rick to tell him there was a fish.
This one?
Yeah.
Stuff.
Aww.
No, thank you. You might. I don't think so.
Sorry, babe. Sorry, Fraser. All that for nothing.
6. Doesn't feel that cold. Really not. It's that hot. It's that hot that the water doesn't feel that cool.
That's what Alison said last night.
There you go. I gave myself a job for tomorrow. I get to greet people.
Unless they, deny.
Unless they deny. We are not letting that guy at the door again.
Oh no, no,
What? Then you're going to be able to spin inside.
no. I know, but
Then what? Start making an inside turn.
of course. See, this is that? You deal with it? Never mind. Or we can shut the motor off.
Shut the motor off. Maybe want to pull that up though, that line. Should be pretty close to the surface. Almost.
There was a big bait ball right there.
Oh, okay. Just get him in the net. Get him in the net, lift it straight up. Oh, yeah, baby. There's a goodly sized fish.
That's a fat fish.
That is a fat, fat fish. Ooh,
They said a chum.
he's a chunker. He's a big fish.
That is a big fish.
It's legal.
No way.
Yep, he is 75.
He is fat. No
75.
offense, dude.
75 and a half, actually. You got him?
I didn't get you a picture.
All right.
Don't throw him out.
Mwah.
He's a keeper.
He's a keeper.
Double checking that?
Nope. He's 75. Boom.
He's
75.
tubby. He's like that one Jay had the other night. It was thick, like crazy. It was funny. I was about to say, "Hey, we're in a big bait bowl."
All right, dude. I know I'm saying I'm not doing a bunch of fishy dances. So tired. You know, I know this is you made the choices and we're at the end. This is going to be a fishy dance for you, buddy. Woo! 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 All right.
That's a beauty.
Dude, beauty fish. I'm gonna call this one Fraser. Because he's massive.
Gross. Over the water.
Nope.
That's gonna be really cool.
Yeah. Oh, it's cold on me. Oh, glorious. Glorious. That's amazing. Woo.
I got you to dip my jeans in the water while I was sitting there. Clean my body off. I see my plaster. No, these are too small Chinook.
Talking to my dogs. Right?
White gum? There's no white gum.
He's got white gums. He's a co. He's a.
Why does the front gum is black?
Mwah. See it? Mwah. He's gotta go back. He's a wild coho. Doing this for you, buddy. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Hurts the stomach. Oh, fish. Fish. Or orca. What? You say no? Aww.
Maybe not.
Don't rush. What?
That one was too small for a fish dance, so I'll give it a nod. Fisherman Fraser nod. That one was quite tiny. Good on him for even trying. You know, like that's, you know. Yep. Sounds good to me. Well done. Did you hear that decision? That was well done. Well, what's going on? Right there? Yep.
Oh, is it? That's weird looking. Looks like a weird tree.
Not? Hey, Fraser. So, if my calculations are correct, this is
you're going to see this on the evening of the 6th, which is 2 days before your final day, from what I understand as far as everything goes right now. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, today we thought what better way to end fishing with Fraser than, to catch a fish with Fraser, right? So not going to get out fishing tomorrow, but this would probably be our last day fishing together, right? So yeah, so we went out fishing. We went over to Harwood, fished away. Had a possible hit over there, but nothing. And then yeah, we just nothing over that side. So well, actually, even before that, we went to go out fishing this morning because the tides were pretty extreme, right? Well, not extreme, they're just low. So low tide today at 11:44 was just over a half-meter tide. I need at least a 1 to 1.2 meter tide to launch. So looking at the time and how long before, again, I need 2 hours before a low tide in order to launch if it's that low. And I thought I was going to make it. It was close. I miscalculated a little bit, and there was a bunch of boats trying to get out. All tandem trailer boats, so all big boats. Not sure they were going to make it. Not sure whether they did. But I was about 4th in line, so we wound up leaving because there was no point. So we went out to Shawn and Alison's, and I knew Shawn was working on those fans. Didn't realize that he would need a hand. Well, I thought he might need a hand, I guess, is how it would go. But yeah, that's a long ways up there, man. He's got 3 sets of scaffolding going up there to those fans. So I was just basically passing stuff up to him for the most part, and then the biggest help I think I was today was helping him take the scaffolding down, because that's always a little sketchy, right? But nonetheless, that went well. The fans work, and they work great. They're almost synchronized. Makes a big difference in that place, though, because it gets a lot of sun, right? Yeah, and then we went out fishing by, like, I don't know, 3 o'clock, I think we were out on the water. And over the other side, got nothing. Came back to this side and fished for a while, and had a hit right away on the black flasher with the white hooch again. So we kept fishing out in front, and I don't know, 7 o'clock or so, we started a hit, and I got a good size spring, right? Like, that was a 75.5 centimeter spring. Close to, she was thick too, man. Like, she was thick. I don't know, close to 15 pounds, I'd like to think, right? But then after that, we got a wild coho. Had to throw that one back, and then that tiny little Chinook that, they're a spunky little fish. Yeah, but it was a good day on the water. It was a nice day on the water, man. And I did the fishy dances, for you, because I thought you deserved them. See, yeah. It was a good day on the water. I'm glad you could be with me on the water today. So. Actually, I'm just gonna read a couple of different spatterings of readings tonight, right? So, Psalm 37, starting verse 27. Turn from evil and do good, then you will dwell in the land forever. For the Lord loves the just and will not forsake his faithful ones. Wrongdoers will be completely destroyed, and the offspring of the wicked will perish. The righteous will inherit the land and dwell in it forever. The mouths of the righteous utter wisdom, and their tongues speak what is just. The law of God is in their hearts. Their feet do not slip. Micah 6:8. He has shown you, God has shown you, O mortal, what is good, and what does the Lord require of you? To act justly, to love mercy, and to walk humbly with your God. Romans 10. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go to this. Romans 10:9 and 10. That if you confess with your mouth the Lord Jesus, and shall believe in your heart that God has raised him from the dead, you will be saved. For with the heart man believes unto righteousness, and with the mouth confession is made unto salvation. It doesn't matter whether you can actually physically confess with your mouth or not. It's a heart thing, right? in a situation where you can't, right? That's what I'm saying. And down to verse 13 says, whoever calls upon the name of the Lord shall be saved. Whoever calls upon the name of Jesus will be saved. I kind of feel, I felt this last night too, right? Like I feel like I love you. You know I love you, right? Like I say, whether you ever make a choice to accept Christ or not, that's up to you, man. And I love you anyway. It doesn't matter. But I feel like I'm throwing life rings, those floating life rings to a drowning man. You're gonna die in a couple days, right? I know that you would much rather, if you could, be out fishing with me, if your body would let you. But the body's a physical, temporal thing. It's a temporary, right? It's the spirit, it's the soul that's everlasting, right? So I just want to keep imploring you, man. God's real. Jesus is real. Jesus died on the cross for your sins. Everybody, anybody, absolutely everybody, I don't care what you've done, all who call the name of the Lord will be saved. Your past is a past. It doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. It's done. It's paid for on the cross. Paul, writer of most of the New Testament, right? Killed Christians. God forgave him. Love you, buddy. God loves you very much. We'll miss you. And I will post more tomorrow.